Simply trying to buy water and supplies and food and things like that so that people are healthy and safe. And that's fair. However, conservatives
Manual
have said
recording
it's evidence
will now
that
start.
they're either paying the protest.
Well, I know exactly who I am. I have, you know, we remember we did that whole battle royale. We had the top video on there. They had to put us in Hall of Fame. Top video.
There's your problem. I don't care. This is in Winston-Salem, North Carolina.
Manual recording will now start.
There are two people behind me. There's a guy in front of me. I'm willing to bet these three people are all residents here. Yet no one knows the password to the gate.
Support the work more personally, you can join me on Patreon or Subscribestar. Anyone who joins will get access to a private Discord.
Need more harm is done. The interview continued with Bender defending the logistics of the move and taking questions about whether the city council gave President Donald Trump and other critics a
fuck you
political
too.
Manual recording will now start.
Absolutely.
I want to park in the fire lane.
Is defund the police.
Pretty cool product. I think it probably offers the most innovation and
Manual recording will now start.
Free car.
oh no. This seems a lot more chaotic than when I just do it on my stove. I think I finally got the egg off of that side, so the sausage is kind of cooking.
Fuck this.
Birds of Prey fans sabotaging Sonic the Hedgehog. This is legit. But I'll tell you why. It's very simple. Forms.
Oklahoma.
Why don't we need to rush onto the next point until we have sufficiently analysed that? You want to avoid criminal damage, violence, and disorder. Well,
Manual recording will now start.
They're scared they'll lose their jobs. Recently, there's a viral story going around from some academic from Berkeley who published an anonymous letter scared they'll lose their job. And this person apparently is black. Manipulation
Salad bowl.
from leftist weirdos who want to tax Amazon.
Water and
with
oil.
Nothing to do, which has nothing to do with actually making this place, this country better for all Americans.
Manual recording will now start.
That makes the car turn out.
And full turn to the left.
That swings the car back to the middle of the road.
And as you
Okay, one question. Are lights supposed to do that?
And he's like, and they call themselves Florida men. They're boring. They're your children. Hey, I don't know that. I'm coming into this episode already. It just fell out. I'm afraid your daughter was poisoned. Oh, this is actually kind of easy to find out who the culprit is because I don't feed her poison. That sucks. Will she be okay?
Are more offended than the actual demographic that's supposed to be offended, and we're supposed to bend the knee to this. Yeah, okay.
What
Isn't it
is
hilarious
happening?
that it's literally leftist white people
Manual recording will now start.
to extremists,
Yeah.
and then run a huge article expose about the new neo-Nazi website, and then your sponsors dry up and people panic and they flee. People enlightened, I guess.
I mean, it's clear they don't know what they're doing, though. They're tearing down statues of people that.
Manual recording will